Hello beautiful people, welcome back to my channel and welcome to the video where I mention all the art materials used by me. If you're wondering why 100 Paintings Part 4 is not out instead of this video, it's because I gave you 3 videos in a row and y'all did not comment which painting you like the most, so I'm disappointed. I'm gonna make you wait for that. Yeah, jokes apart, starting with canvas boards. 2 years ago, when I started canvas painting, until a few months back, I used Camlin canvas boards. But their prices raise really high. Okay, every 2 months, whenever I went to stock up, a single board was like 5 to 7 rupees higher. So I decided to switch to smaller brands. So I am using Anupam stationery boards as of now. You can get these from your local stationery stores as well as Amazon. Moving on is this big acrylic colors box. It is a 12 shade acrylic tubes box. You get 12 colors in this size, that is 40 ml tubes. You get 12 colors. Then so what happened, this is a very old box. This is around 1150 something. So once the tubes from this box got over, I bought individual tubes of the colors that I wanted. So when this is I had bought from Crawford Market. So they have this entire shade card that they give you, and then they give you the color that you like. So these individual tubes are long 120 ml now. I have wrapped this up, but they are long 120 ml tubes. These are for 200 per tube. Then we have this big box. So this is white color that I ordered in the big box because we use white a lot, like in everything we need white. So that's why I ordered this big box only of white color. This is around 650. It is a 500 ml box. Then we have texture white. Texture white is basically used for knife painting and for a thicker textured look. So this is again a 500 ml box, and this 1 year ago was at 570 when I bought it. So now it must be around 600-650. Yeah. Then I have these tubes. These small bottles. So you get a box like this of Fevicryl or Hobby Ideas of acrylic tubes. So if you're a beginner, you can opt for these boxes, and if you have something specific, like if you're painting occasionally, maybe once in 3 months, once in 4 months or something like that, and you're painting with a theme and you want specific colors, so then you can get these tubes individually as well. These are 20 rupees per tube. Why am I saying tube? So you get these bottles at 20 rupees from the stationery store. You get individual colors as well, or you can opt for the smallest box, pack of 6, pack of 8. Then I have my set of brushes. These are all mixed, but you get packets of brushes as well. So I have this pack of Aurora brushes, and then there is Faber-Castell. So they're all mixed, flat brushes as well as round brushes, if you can see. Then I have my knives. This is from Bianio. I don't know how to pronounce it, but yeah. And it is a set of 5 knives. It's 600 rupees. Art materials are expensive, guys, are expensive. So please do not spend if you are a beginner. Don't spend. Buy small bottles, buy canvases from local brands. And then most important, what we need while painting is our container palette. So I use these as containers. We get lot of these at home from out when we order. So you don't need that, designer water container. Of course, every artist is different, but to start off with, you can use this. You can use any old cloth as your cloth. And for palette, again, you can use an old plate. This is what I am using. You can use an old plate as your palette. Then we have gloss medium. It comes in a box like this, acrylic gloss medium, that is basically used for your shine and liquidity in fluid art, like what gives you the shine in fluid art. Gloss medium is used for that. That is again a 500 ml bottle of around 5 to in the range of 5 to 700. I will link it in the description below. Then we have resin. I also use resin. Again, I will link that below because there are different tons of options. So I will attach the link of my product below. And last we have varnish. We have Camel varnish. You all must be saying she's using everything of Camel, and she's saying not to buy canvases from there, or she doesn't buy canvases from there, because I feel comparatively these other things are long lasting, whereas canvas we need on a regular basis, like every week, every month. So that turns out to be very expensive from Camel. Camel, if you're listening, please sponsor me, please. Yeah, we have varnish. Again, it's the Camel varnish. It's a small bottle. I will link it again so that you get a clear picture. And yeah, that was it for this video. And then your basic stationery, pen, pencil, eraser, you can use whatever you want. Yeah, that was it for this video. Thank you so much for watching. Please share this with your artist friends to spread the knowledge of materials. If you have any queries regarding these materials, let me know in the comments below and I will answer them. Yeah, stay tuned for further videos. Thank you so much for watching.